Hello! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw glowing Christmas lights. First, you need a pencil. Any pencil you have is fine. And then you draw some swirls. Next, you're going to draw two squiggly lines opposite each other, then one line at the base and one at the top. And then you draw a circle carefully. And then I'll show you again one line, one squiggly line on the left, one squiggly line on the right, and then one line across. Very simple. And then you draw your circle round. Make sure your wire passes through each of the sockets of the bulbs. Draw your first line underneath the wire just like I'm doing. Next, you'll need some markers. You'll need a dark yellow, a medium yellow, and a bright yellow. Any type you have is fine. Now, take the darkest yellow, and then you color the outer part of the bulb, the first bulb, and you go around in a circle, just the outer part, until your desired thickness. Next, you take the medium yellow and then you color in the inner part of the bulb, making sure to leave a little circle in the middle for the bright yellow. Now, with the bright yellow, fill in the innermost part of the bulb, just like this. Now, get a colored pencil, the same shade as the medium yellow. What you're going to do is you're going to gently shape the outer part of the bulb. Just go in circles. Now take a colored pencil, the same shade as the brightest yellow in the middle, and color right on top of the previous color. Make sure you go in circles like this, and then make sure to come just a little bit above the previous color, like this. Next, you take a black ink pen. Any black ink pen you have is fine. Oops, I lost a video clip during editing. Don't worry, keep watching. I'll show you what to do. Next, you get a dark green, a medium green, and a bright green. And with the dark green, you draw a circle, just like with the first yellow bulb. Then take the medium green and go around in a circle gently, making sure to leave a little circle in the middle. Now you take your brightest green and you fill in the middle. After that, you take a colored pencil, the same shade with the medium green, and then you color the outer parts of the bulb. Remember to shade in gentle circles round the bulb. Now take a colored pencil, the same shade with the brightest green in the middle, and then shade right on top of the previous color, and then go just a little bit above it to give it that glow. If you'd like, you could take a colored pencil, the same shade with the darkest green, and then just create a little bit of a shadow at the top ring of the bulb. Now here's how you draw the socket. Take your black ink pen and then fill in the squiggly lines, the straight lines on the left and the right, the top and the bottom. Next, you draw 3 lines in the middle. Then take a gray colored marker and then fill it in. Next, for the red bulb, we'll need 3 shades of red: the dark red, the medium red, and the bright red. Just like with the other bulbs, filling the darkest red in the first ring, go in a circle until you achieve your desired thickness. Next, you fill in the medium red in a circle, leaving a little circle in the middle. Now, fill in the bulb with the brightest red. Next, you take a red colored pencil, the same shade as the medium red, and then you lightly shade the outer part of the bulb to give it a glow. Just like with the other bulbs, take a colored pencil, the same shade as the brightest red, and then lightly shade on top of the red you just colored, going just a little bit above it. Now with your black ink pen, fill in the squiggly lines and then draw 3 lines in the middle of the socket. Take the gray marker once again and color in the socket. For the next bulb, we'll do blue, so you'll need a dark blue, a medium blue, and a bright blue. Color in the dark blue. Color in the medium blue. Then finally, color in the bright blue. Take a blue colored pencil, the same shade as the medium blue. Lightly shade in a circular motion around the outer part of the bulb. Now, with a colored pencil, the same shade as the bright blue, you blend both colors. This is optional, but you could use a colored pencil, the same shade as the dark blue, to create shadows at the top ring of the bulb, like so. Fill in your squiggly lines. Draw 3 lines in the middle, like I'm doing. Then color it in with your gray marker. Do the same thing for the other bulbs. You could do any colors you like. Just make sure you use a dark shade, a medium shade, and a bright shade. Now for the last part, which is the wire, you need your black ink pen. From one end of a socket, follow the line all the way to the other socket, making sure not to cross over the socket. Stop when you get to this point. Do not draw over the socket. Start from the other end of the socket and follow the line down to the other socket of the other ball. Continue until you have completely drawn over all the lines. Great job. Now with your eraser, clean out all the pencil marks underneath the wire. And there you have it, the best glowing Christmas lights. Remember to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.